So, hey guys, back with another video today. Today, I'm just doing my version of a piadina. So here's what I did. So I got some self-rising flour and some water and some milk, also some salt, and I mixed it all together in a bowl and I made this dough here. So now I'm just gonna roll it out into about 6-inch breads. So I'm just gonna now I'm gonna roll it out into about a 6-inch bread. Then I'm gonna put it in the pan for about 2 minutes each side on medium-high heat. So I got one here. I'm gonna drop it in the pan. And it's just sizzling away on the pan. And if you can hear the crackle, sort of. Then we're just gonna do the rest same way. But while that's going, we got our other pan heating up here with a little bit of oil. We're gonna put our pancetta in the oil that's still heating up. And we're gonna cook the pancetta till it's crispy. Like bacon. Like bacon. So, in the meantime, I'm gonna cook all the pitas. I'll see you back when I'm done. So everything's done, guys. Now it's time for assembly. I'm gonna take a pita. Hot. Be careful. And I'm going to, first off, I'm gonna put the cucumber right down the middle. Then I'm gonna do tomato. Then we're gonna put the cheese just to the side. And then last but not least, the pancetta. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye.
Cool. Can you fold it up and so you can see how it's eaten?